Hi everyone! What's the difference between maybe and may be? Well, we're going to find out in this English in a minute. May is used to express possibility, usually not a very certain one. It's a modal verb, so it's always followed by a bare infinitive. The bare infinitive of be is be. Using the two together, we can make a sentence. Don't call her, she may be at work. Now, maybe is just one word. It's an adverb and it has a few uses. Most commonly, it means perhaps or possibly. In this case, it's often the first word in the sentence. Don't call her, maybe she's at work. However, put it in front of an amount to mean around or approximately. This video will be seen by, maybe 1 million people. Make it happen, people.